Hello guys, welcome back to Lineup. For today's video, we're going to show you how to fix H1 tag on WIX. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So in this case, you might be playing around some text in your WIX website here and you're wondering, how do you fix your H1 tag here just in case you have some problems on it. So we all know that H1 tags, or in this case, heading tags, is a good way for you to identify which text is going to be the focus of your visitors. Now, how do you exactly update those in your text? So typically, you want to go to your editor here first. You want to go to add elements. And just give you an example, I'm just going to go to my text here. And maybe I want to add a heading 1 here, or heading 2. Just give you an example. So you can drag it in here. Now, the thing with text here is you could actually change this if you're not aware. So you want to go ahead and double click on it. And as you can see, we have our style here. So this style allows you to change which heading that you might want to basically use. So we have heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, we have heading 4 as well. So basically you could choose whatever heading you want. So if you want to switch over to heading 1, you could go and click on it. And also when you scroll down a bit here, if I'm not mistaken, you have the option to choose which HTML tag you want to use here. Now since we chose heading 1 here, automatically it's going to use H1 or heading 1 as the tag. But if you want to change that or update that, you can go and choose or click on it and choose whatever heading that you want to use for it. But obviously it's not limited to that. It's going to still be named as heading 1, but you could do whatever customization you want here. So it's still heading 1 here. So as you can see, we were able to update that. Now, if you want to customize the H1 tagging itself, what you need to do is you need to go to the left side here. You want to go to site design, and you could go ahead and go to text theme. Now, from here, you want to go ahead and go to your heading font section and just click on customize heading styles. Now, from here, you have heading 1, 2. So if you want to customize heading 1, just click on the pencil icon here. You can change the font for this one, the font size, make it bold, italic, or even change the font color, just in case you want, if you want to use a specific branding or color for it. So you could go and do whatever customizations you want. But yeah, so those are the things that you can do to update or probably fix issues that you are having on your heading 1 tag here. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Lineup. Thank you for watching.